Myth number 12, whole life is too expensive. Okay, so I saved this for last because you know I love whole life policies. I think they're essential. I think that you really can't do without them, whether you're young or you're old. But let's talk a little bit about term life, because I have as many carriers with as many products that are offering term that will fit what you qualify for so that you can get the best value for the lowest premium amounts that are available in the market. Okay, simple as that. You can't do better on term than what I can provide for you. But you do need to understand the essential differences between whole life and term. And I just need to explain to you, well, why do we get term? Well, because we love our loved ones. Most especially young couples are in love with their husbands and wives. And if something were to happen to them, how are you going to pick up the pieces? There you are grieving, but you've also lost a second income. You may have a house. You may have children that have special needs. Who knows what regular expenses that you have that you're going to have to somehow manage all by yourself at that point. And the term life policies are going to kick in if something unexpected happens when you're young and you have a whole life of expenses ahead of you. But trust me, I know this personally because it happened to me when my wife had a stroke when she was just 38 years old. And here I am, 65. I've been almost like a single dad now for it's 20 years since the stroke anniversary. So when bad things happen to good people, they have to make adjustments. And life can get really hard, and you don't really want that. You have to protect against it, and that's the product that you're purchasing. Protection for a specific stated amount of time. Some are 10, 15, 20, 30 years. You can get a variety of them, right? But the day after that term expires, it has no value. Unless you've had a rider, there's exceptions. You can put in a return a premium rider or maybe cash back offer, sometimes they're called. And you're going to get every penny that you put into it, you'll get back. So there's no excuse for you not to purchase the term insurance when you're getting all your money back in the end. You can't feel like it's wasted money if you do that. So I recommend that. But the whole life policies are indispensable. Because, for one thing, there's only one thing that's definitely guaranteed, and that is that you will eventually pass. The only question is when and who goes first. So you want to take each possible scenario, as hard as it may be to discuss, and account for it and protect yourself against it. And that's a product that you sell. So one of the possibilities is that you outlive a term policy, and that's what your whole life policy is for. And the other thing is that in a person's situation where they can't afford the insurance, then maybe what they need more than anything else is a forced insurance or a forced savings policy through insurance that they can then turn around and borrow on, something that's actually accumulating dividends and cash value. So that's the essential difference. It's going to be something that you can borrow on. You can use it to collateralize a loan. I've mentioned that elsewhere here, and I'm going to say it over and over again because you can afford an insurance, and you can't afford not to have the insurance, and you don't want to be unprepared when really bad things happen, because bad things go from bad to worse, and I don't want that for you or for the people that you love. So when all is said and done for you, I want you to be able to sending love messages to the people that you love and care about, whether it's your spouse or your children or maybe charities that you want to give to. So God bless you. I'm here to help you, and I will do all that I can to find the best solution for your life. God bless you.